It's 5 a.m. No, it's 3 a.m. No, it's 4 a.m. We're all bundled up. We're going to hike the Trolltunga. The conditions are unknown. We don't even know if we can get up to the road. Everything is a coin toss right now. But we have more layers on than a Subway sandwich, and we're ready to rock and roll. Also, I have a Gatorade. Hidden, concealed Gatorade. How many layers do you have on in total?
3 in the bottom, 4 in the top.
It's like 8 layers. Matt want to? What's your vote on like?
One pair of underpants, one pair of overpants, one pair of big pants, one pair of snow pants.
My thermal long johns, my ultra layer snow pants, and then I got my Omni Heat Colombian tight shirt, hoodie, and I'm throwing on my Colombian heavy jacket as well. I went real light on the bag, but it's not small. I got my snow shoes on there, my spikes. It's loaded up. Got my hat here, got my little gloves here.
Ski goggles?
I got ski goggles. We're ready to rock and roll. We're ready for anything this mountain throws at us, except for ice. That's the one thing we're not prepared for. So let's get to the road. Oh wait, let's go find out what Matt's loadout is. Matt, what's your loadout?
Matt H.
Matt H. Oh.
Matt, you.
What's your loadout?
Boots, pants,
Yeah.
hoodie,
Yeah.
phone.
So you're kind of going simple with it.
That's all there is to it.
Not a cloud in the sky, brother.
Not a cloud in the sky.
Not a cloud in the sky. I am tired though.
Good morning, everybody. It's very early, and we're getting ready to head out.
Starting coldest hike of our lives,
Slow down.
the Trolltunga hike.
Slow
Where we hike to the Troll's Tongue. Samuel's trying to walk backwards and follow us. He's not doing a very good job.
It's really difficult.
My legs are already burning, thinking about turning back.
What?
So hopefully we make it to the top.
All right, we just finished about 5 switchbacks.
It is hot.
We're already winded. A little warm. We're warm in the winter. This is where Lionel or Ruck said that we're halfway up, and I said, no, 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 no. We've only begun.
Okay. It might feel a bit strange, but we're in the middle of the Arctic. Well, not in the Arctic yet. We're in the middle of Norway. It's freezing cold, yet we're warm. We're hot. We're shedding a layer. We got so much on us, we're generating a lot of body heat. So I'd say we're about halfway up the switchbacks. We're gonna shed a layer. If we get too cold, we'll put them back on. But I'm gonna tell you one thing right now. We are flying up this hill. And I know in most of the videos I'm all enthusiastic and then a few minutes later I'm crying and screaming. But I'm feeling good about this one. We are flying. We're feeling good. He's got Powerade. Dude, you're dripping with sweat. He's dripping.
How are the layers?
I'm sweating.
Are you?
I'm sweating.
Looks like it.
It's about 10 degrees out here. I'm sweating.
I bet with the wind chill it's colder. Matt too, how you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. Had our ups and our downs, but here we are.
It's getting a little bit brighter, isn't it?
Getting a little bit brighter. It's not too cold anymore.
Gonna give us motivation.
Yeah, once that sun
Big
comes
motivation.
Yep.
out. Matt, how's it feeling?
Feeling good. Ready to get to the top.
Oh yeah. All right, we're barely surviving here. We're making our way through the gully.
wind has picked up to dangerous amounts. On a scale of 1 to 10, it's at an 8. Took a little snack break here, now we're energized, ready to keep on pushing. What happened, bro? I just heard.
I'm trying to go backwards.
Blake, I told you can't go backwards in these.
Brother, I forgot I had these boots on, my boy.
All he said was, oh shoot, and it fell right down.
It's so comfy down here.
All right, we are pushing. We're about to hit the lookout where you can see that little hut. We're holding up pretty good. Conditions are less than favorable, to say the least. But we're holding strong, moving fast. Okay, Blake, this is getting out of hand. What is wrong with you? What are you doing, bro?
It's comfy.
Get up, you're embarrassing our country. Choice news, choice news. Down there is not one, but 2 safety huts. We're gonna try to get into those huts, eat some food and maybe warm up a little bit. Nothing has gotten better except for it's a bit brighter. Wind is still gripping. All right, Matt and I are on a mission to get to the survival cabin and make sure it's inhabitable. Let's see what the verdict is. How you feeling? Let's get those things off.
Bruised and battered.
Bruised and battered. Oh, it's a bed! Oh! Oh, it's bed! Oh, dude. This feels like heaven right now.
Yeah.
This is crazy. Let's go!
Oh, wow.
Oh! Oh!
This is getting ridiculous.
Welcome, brother. Matt's already chowing down on a sandwich. How is it out there?
Miserable.
Well, it's that awful time
Oh man, this was bad.
that we have to leave our beautiful oasis. There's no way to prepare for it, so we just have to go. All right, you ready?
Yep.
Move. I got the door. We're caught in a blizzard! Extremely bad! the evil hill, and it is a freeze out. Not as bad as what we were just in, but it's pretty bad still. But Columbia keeping us warm. I'm not even cold. My nose is like it's sweating. He wants to go home. I wanna go home. Going down the evil hill. As you can see, the weather's quite nice. I love it. I want more wind. Give me more.
Alright, Blake's been napping for at least 4 hours, but he woke up for some ice cream and the new year. Everything's closed, so it's the only.
What time is it?
It's 11:59.
8.
9.
Oh wait, no, 11:58. 11:58.
Okay, not yet. Here, I got this spork. I'm gonna try this Neapolitan ice
Do
cream.
they have bowls there, dude? That's the spork we found on the gas station floor.
What?
Are you kidding me?
They found it on the floor?
Come over here. Come over here.
Oh. It's not time though. They're too early.
No, let's go outside, dude.
What do you want me to tell you? They're lighting them up.
That's too early. Do they not have clocks?
We'll go outside.
Look at everyone. It's too early. What time is it?
It's gonna be so cold out there.
Well, we gotta go. We gotta go.
Oh my god.
We gotta go. Matt, wake up. No shoes.
What?
I guess we do need shoes.
What?
We do need shoes.
I'm going.
Wait, what time is it? Did we miss it?
No, it's about to stop.
Oh,
You have to go faster.
oh my goodness, it's cold. Oh.
Happy New Year! Woo!
These fireworks suck.
Yes, they do. Woo! 2024.
Now we're talking.
I got shorts on and it's cold. I'm shivering my willy off. Oh. Hopefully you're not gonna post that. We are.
Even I left Blake.
What are your guys' wishes for 2024?